Let's go! Shoot ka lang.
Okay, so we have here the bull, Kuya Carlo Von Buminaang.
Training out of Team Lacar, Carlo Buminaang!
So Kuya, saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Tayo sa Manila ngayon. Makaba tayo. Kasi may mga kasama tayong laban ngayon sa Manila. So ang mga lalaban sa Manila, si Carlos Alvarez, The Limitless.
Carlos Limitless Alvarez!
Si Nawel. And si Strada. At si Conan Antigawa. Yun. So, kita-kita. Kita-kits tayo dun sa ano? Manila. Let's go.
Let's go!
Sanay. Tamang sabaw lang muna kayo.
Hello! Dito po tayo ngayon sa COD, City of Dreams. Maganda lang tayo ng konting oras para sa uwi ni Maya. See you there.
We are in Manila and waiting for 3 p.m. Ito, nakuha mo na ba? Kilo mo, guys?
Oo nga eh. Kuwang-kuwa na pero gutom na gutom na.
Itong kasama natin, pigang-piga na to eh. Tiga niya naman yung mukha niya, oh. May bukol pa. Ito. Kuya, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Ngayon nag-iintay tayo ng oras. Hindi natin mag-alas-stress para tayo sa venue at mag-weigh-in yung mga kasama natin.
Alright. Mauna kami pero nauna kayo. Tumakbo na lang kami. Mabagal kasi yung kita na. Ayusin mo, boy.
Shoot ka lang, shoot. Okay. Shoot ka lang. Shoot. Yan. Tapos defense. Siya naman shoot, tapos ikaw din defense.
Submission. Submission ba? Submission. Next, yes, yan. Galing ah. Back defense. Hindi daw. Hindi na patata. Sabi ni Conan. Detective Conan. Back defense. Ano yung submission? Kailan ulit yung ano nyo doon? Pa-tournament yan ng grappling? Yung lakay.
July.
Sumali ako doon, kinakalabang ko. Makakaan nyo rin.
Kalito.
Marvin daw as.
Oh,
Ang timbang niya.
2-6.
Ay, may ano. Ano nga timbang?
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this yes, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
Para sa ano, next destination.
It's time. It's time. It's time to go home now.
Pagkita mo yung hawak na.
Let's go to Japan. Tara sa Japan. Wait lang wait lang. Let's go!
Alright, let's go home the mountains.